All right, we're back. So I'm outside today doing some work on the side of the house. You can see way up there, there are a couple of outlets, and these are wires that run along the edge of the roof for our roof de-icers. And they're hooked up currently to a circuit breaker in the basement, and that's how you have to turn them on and off. What happened is last winter I forgot to shut them off. So they were on like May, June, July, driving the electric bill out, and they can also burn out because you got the sun hitting the roof. So I would have had to pay an electrician to come in and install a switch. Could have got a little pricey, and running holes through the walls in the house to put the switch in a place that you're going to remember to turn it off and on. So instead I came up with another solution. I got these smart plugs from Casa, and these smart plugs hook to your Wi-Fi. So now I can actually, I've been using this for our well pump this year, this summer for the irrigation system, something similar. So now I can hook the de-icers up to that, and I can actually control them with my phone. I can set them on a timer and a schedule so they can auto shut off. So it's going to be a much better way to deal with this winter, and won't run up the electric bill obnoxiously. All right, so what else is going on? We were yesterday painting another mold infestation. This was the back porch. We don't get a lot of light on this side of the house, so the whole porch, this whole deck right here, was covered in black mold, and it's right near the entrance to the house, so just the mold spores can attach to anything that you're carrying, your clothing, and just another way for it to get in the house and take root. So I got the first coat on yesterday with a deck stain and sealer, so that's in progress. Today we're doing coat number 2. Let's go down in the basement. I'll show you something else pretty cool. Did a little research last night at the store, and I got these hefty screws here. Check out these bad boys. 6 inches long, no pre-drilling required, and I put them in here this morning to tie in the post to the beam. This is only really taking vertical forces. It's not taking a lot of twisting, sliding forces. If it is, we've got some more serious stuff going on. Landslide! But what we were using were these Z-Max connectors here to do the same job. And you can see, get another one that isn't the center beam so you can see what's going on here, right here. So you can see these nails, these are galvanized nails, and those connectors, they're really solid, they're good stuff, but they're almost $5 per bracket, so $10 per post. And I had to buy 16 of them last night. That was going to cost $80. So I did a little homework while I was there. It took a little longer, but I got these, and they're code rated and definitely hefty enough to do the job. So these things were $34 for a box of 50. So saved a little bit of money there anyway. So those are all set. We're still working down here. You can see there's temporary posts in until I can get back to working on the header. We still have coat number 2 of paint to do down here. And last night I got some of the sealer for these cracks in the floor and some filler. And then we have to etch the floor, wash it with this etching material, and get the concrete prepped so that we can actually paint the dry lock. That should be here later this week, so we can start to seal this floor up as well. Maintaining about 50% humidity in here. Still, this hefty dehumidifier is still running constant. So there's still a level of moisture coming in. I'm hoping that once we seal the floor and get these windows switched out that some more of the humidity will drop. And we've had a lot of rain, so the groundwater is definitely affecting this. And I still have a section of gutters to do on the back of the house. So we'll get all that wrapped up. Still pushing hard to try to get this done before the cold weather sets in. It's dropping down low 40s at night, so we don't have a lot of time left before it gets really frigid outside, and that kills the outdoor projects pretty quick. But all right, I'm out.